And like I said, or we were live, now we're live. Tornado reported. We got some bad stuff up here, people. 3/4 inch hail. It looks like nickel-sized hail in Walkertown. Spotters have confirmed a tornado at 65 miles an hour, lightning fast. But this atmosphere up here has been. Hold on a second. Can we can't change that? Okay, that atmosphere up there has been what I call adulterated. It's been adulterated. We've had a lot of rain, passing bands of storms. That goose is cooked. Those two storms were the best ones up there. His and her storms ran up the way. We were up there. We seen a weather spotter from the University of Alabama. He fucking and it might have been a woman, flew a balloon in the tornado. I said, I bet they're getting some mammoth data out of that one. And University of Alabama would be great, and if any of y'all can get me in school, that's what I'm out here for. I've got to try to earn a little loot so I can get into school. But let's take you down to the radar. Right now, we've got a bit of a situation. The devil, don't mind the devil, he's down south. This was no different than Columbus last week when we seen these ones down here. These ones are an unadulterated airspace. And if you'll notice, they're starting to look pretty ugly. Look at this one here, Grenada. It's really starting, really discreet down here. And he's not moving a whole lot. He's all by himself. He's even got a curly Q. That one right there, the devil's down south. So we're already pre-calling. These ones are slower movers. These are your tail end Charlie. What we refer to as your tail end Charlies. And if we can actually pull back, like I said, I don't have my OBS software, but I want to show you the satellite.
I hope that lid was on me.
All up here, we've had some issues way up north, but down here, do you see those deep, very deep, robust overshooting tops down here? That is, and then right in here where you had your breaks in the clouds, that's got some forecasters a little concerned. Watch these deep thunderstorm tops right now. Right in here is got some some forecasters cause for concern. Now we're going to go ahead here and we're going to show you the Cape. All laid up. All of it's gone up here. We're in D Cape, but down here 1250. I don't think we're ever going to see that 3,000 mark or 2,500 mark. 1250 is what we're looking at here. 1,000 and your jewels, like I said, down here, this is going to be your Starkville, Columbus, your Golden Triangle. Like I said, those storms have the potential to be wicked about sundown. Now, they're running on what's called diurnal activity, DIANURAL. That means that it works with the peak, the oscillation of your sun. You got your sun, your moon. Your sun rises, it bakes the earth. And if you'll notice, looking way back this way, it's all choppy weather. But look down this way. There's still some sun baking the earth. So the sun is baking the earth. And we're going to get our dew points. Dew points really taper off, really dry air. Everything's dry behind our front. Just keep rolling. Right in here is where we're actually going to have deeper moisture down south, better instability down south. We're still going to have access to the shear. What I'm looking for is what's called a tail end Charlie. Now, a lot of y'all may not be familiar with tail end Charlies. They don't always form, but basically you have a front that's sagging, and you'll have, you know, whatever weather mechanisms up here, but right at the tailing end of your cold front, you'll have you a line of thunderstorms or whatever's happening, and literally right at the end, the furthermost extent where your lift and your instability can, in some cases, be maximized, that's where you're going to find possibly a tail end Charlie. And they can be pretty stout. We're going to go ahead, we're going to show you RH-RRR 2 meter Theta E. And the Theta E, of course, is going to go down with the sun, you know, and you'll see it's showing that cold pull. This area right in here is going to be pretty much your thunderstorm cold pull from those ones. The model is showing it cleaning out. This is one of your more high resolution models. And then we can, of course, do our simulated reflectivity, which you see all the rain up to the north. But way down south, late in the afternoon, it's calling for a beast, a pretty angry looking storm right here. Possibly as far east as Alabama. You'd say, well, I don't know if it's going to get that far. It might. And down through here, your tail end Charlies would be dragging all the way down through here. Which the definition of the tail end Charlie is actually the southernmost storm on that. So anyway, I appreciate y'all coursing with me. Don't forget to check out www.stormnavigator.biz. It's for the bold people. I am booking for this season. $650 is all it takes, ladies. $650, you can get you one of these tickets. You can get you on the Storm Seminar now. We're trying to do it good. We're going to keep you safe. We're going to keep you going. We're going to keep everything running smooth. So just bear with me, and we will see you, God willing, in a minute.